Syeda here and welcome to Backyard Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to be making the softest and yummiest pancakes. This recipe is very easy, especially for you kids, but you might need to be careful when using the stove. Let's start. So the ingredients are 1.5 cup of plain flour, a pinch of salt, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.25 cup of milk, 1/4 cups of butter, 1 egg, which I don't have on the table, and we're going to go take them out when we need it. Now get a large bowl and put in 1.5 cup of plain flour. Now put in a pinch of salt. Next, put in 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Now you will need to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well with the whisk. Let's now put it aside. Get another small bowl and put in 1/4 cup of melted butter. Then you will need to put in 1/4 cups of milk. Now we will need to get an egg. I don't have an egg here, so I'm going to go to the backyard and get an egg out from our chickens. Let's get some eggs. Now let's take some eggs out. I have now got the eggs, and now I'm going to go and wash them. I have now washed the egg, and now I will crack it in and put it. Now I will mix it with a whisk. Now pour the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Get the whisk again and mix the ingredients together. Now that the batter is finished, we will pour 1/3 cups onto the pan with medium heat on. Put the batter in a bowl. And now let's pour it in. Now we wait for the bubbles to come up, to rise. Now we wait. So we wait for the bubbles to come up, and as you can see, there's some bubbles coming up. Just wait for a little longer until they're bigger. Now it's almost ready. I think we should flip it. So here we have a goldenish color. If your pancake that you flip doesn't have a goldenish color, just flip it back. Just wait, it's a little sticky. Just wait, yep, I think it's ready. Yeah, I think it's ready to get off. So guys, the pancakes are done, and don't forget to give us suggestions on how the pancakes were made in the comment section below. I will be with you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.